In this mango season, you must try this creamy mango dessert. It's so simple yet so delicious. I genuinely wondered why didn't I try this recipe before. With just 3 basic ingredients, no baking, no fancy tools, this recipe makes a smooth, melt-in-the-mouth treat that feels like a mix between pudding and cheesecake. But it's neither. The natural sweetness of ripe mangoes and the creamy richness of yogurt come together so perfectly. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. In a bowl, I am taking a strainer and placing a cheesecloth. Now I am taking 2 cups of yogurt. To remove the extra water, I will keep the yogurt like this for 20 to 30 minutes so that the yogurt will be more thicker and more creamier texture. Now I will blend 1 cup of mango, which I peeled and cut into chunks. Blend the mango into a smooth puree. After 20 minutes, I remove the cheesecloth and pour the yogurt into a large mixing bowl. I whisk the yogurt until it becomes smooth and creamy. Now I am adding the mango puree and 1/3 cup of condensed milk. The ripe mango is also sweet, that's why I am adding 1/3 cup of condensed milk. The sweetness of this dessert is absolutely on you. If you want more sweetness, you can add ½ cup of condensed milk. I am mixing everything together until the color turned into a soft yellow and the mango was fully combined. The mixture looked silky and smelled absolutely divine. Now I am taking a mold and brush some oil and adding a baking paper on it. Pour the mixture and cover it with a foil paper. Pour some water in a pan and place the mold. Cover it with a lid and keep in low flame for 20 to 25 minutes. After that, cool the dessert completely and keep in fridge for 30 minutes. After cool down completely, the dessert I keep in fridge for 30 minutes to set nicely. Then I demold the dessert. Remove the baking paper. Spread some chopped pistachio on top. This is one of the easiest and tastiest desserts you can make this mango season. It is so soft, creamy, lightly sweet and had that fresh mango flavor in every bite. What I love most is how easy it is to make without baking. Just steam, chill and enjoy. It's a perfect treat to cool down in mango season. After making it once, I am already planning to make it again. So friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more easy and delicious recipes. And share the recipe more with your friends. Thank you for watching.